Hi, I'm Julie Richt. Welcome to Method Minute, a series of bite-sized videos about Method Insurance. Method's been on a roll this year, and we're making some serious moves in workers' comp. With a broad appetite for underserved industries, exclusive programs, and comprehensive in-house services, it's no wonder industry insiders are keeping an eye on what is next. We've been asked what our secret sauce is, and while I can't say too much, I can tell you that there's a method to our success. For starters, our team of experts focus on one thing: workers' comp. Our combination of specialized knowledge, continuous improvement, and empowerment of talented individuals results in something special for our customers. At the end of the day, we're successful because we focus on the success of our agency partners and their customers and the well-being of their workers. Simple as that. This level of service requires teamwork across all departments. Each Method employee plays a vital role. So let's walk through each of them. Distribution management. Our A-team of business development managers build and manage our exclusive distribution network by identifying and establishing relationships with independent insurance agents. We love our agency partners, and frankly, they're as big a piece of our success as our own employees. That's why we partner with only a select group of agencies in each state. This allows us to help them target high-value segments with a compelling value proposition, reducing employers' total cost of risk. Once an agent is appointed with Method, our business development managers nurture our existing relationships by obtaining new business submissions, tracking production, and ensuring effective communication with underwriting to generate quotes and binders. All right, underwriting. This is where the magic happens. Once a submission comes in, our underwriters leverage advanced analytics to quickly make data-driven decisions, selecting and pricing risks appropriately. For smaller accounts, our cutting-edge AI streamlines underwriting even more. This technology enables us to focus on the more challenging risks, getting the whole story from the prospective insured in order to provide best-in-class pricing. This combination of expertise and analytics allows Method to see the bigger picture, setting up our insured for success and future premium savings. As an added benefit, we've been able to improve quote turnaround time from days to hours, just like that. Onboarding. Ever gone through an onboarding process and still felt completely in the dark? Not with Method. Post-bind, our dedicated onboarding specialists provide insureds with everything they need on the front end. They work diligently to define responsibilities, set expectations, establish confidence, and build trust. If the insured has any questions, they know their onboarding specialist is available to guide them through the process. Safety and loss prevention. A strong safety program can reduce costs from injuries, employee turnover, and insurance premiums. Since many businesses lack dedicated safety or risk management, our safety experts step up to fill the gap. They partner with insureds to design and develop safety programs that help prevent losses. Additionally, as a free value add, they maintain industry-specific safety resources at methodinsurance.com/safety. Claims management. Our in-house claims team works closely with insureds to manage claims, review cost performance, and recommend improvements. They simultaneously engage the insured, their workers, and healthcare providers to identify potential roadblocks to recovery while expediting each step in the recovery process. The result? Lower claim costs and overall premiums. Well, that about sums it up. And I know I said I wouldn't say too much, but trust me, that was the short version. We put a lot of thought into our business model and built it to be a one-stop shop for our customers. Lean on us as your workers' comp experts, and we'll do the heavy lifting for you. Method's method is changing workers' comp for the better. So get on board and partner with a true workers' comp expert like Method. You submit, we commit.